Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss one of the most important topics in accounting, cash book. This video will help students and learners understand the concept clearly with practical example. So let's get started. Now, what is cash book? A cash book is a special accounting book where a business records all cash and bank transactions. Only cash and bank transactions are recorded here. It helps a business know how much cash and bank balance it has at any time. So, cash book is the book of original entry where all cash receipt and cash payment are recorded in date of order. Types of cash book. Cash book are three types. One is single column cash book, second double column cash book, and third is triple column cash book. What is a single column cash book? A single column cash book is a type of cash book that records only cash transactions. It has one amount column on each side which is cash only. Bank and discount are not recorded in this cash book. This cash book, one is debit side and another is credit side. In debit side, receipt cash only and credit side payment cash only. So, a single column cash book is a book of original entry where only cash receipt and cash payment are recorded. There is no separate bank column, so bank related transaction cannot be shown. Advantage of single column cash book. It is very easy to understand, quick recording, good for small shop and beginners. Limitation. Bank transaction not included, discount not recorded, not suitable for large business. Now we will see a single column cash book, how it works. This is a single column cash book format. XYZ Company cash book for the month of November 2025. Left side is debit side, that is receipt, and right side is credit side, that is payments. This format, both sides we can see date, particulars, voucher number, ledger value, and cash column. Single column cash book format, one is cash receipt column and another is cash payment column. For that, it's called single column cash book. 1st November 2025 balance BD or opening balance may be $200. 3rd November material sales by cash $500 and $500 cash receipt. So total cash receipt $700. 4th November 2025 purchase office stationery by cash $150 and 29 November 2025 staff salary paid $300 by cash. So total payment is $450. So at the end of November, shown total amount received by cash 700, 700 and 700. Total amount paid 450. Now balance CD or closing balance is 250. Single column cash book must be signed by prepared, check, and approved authority. So these are the single column cash book all details. Double column cash book. What is a double column cash book? A double column cash book is a type of cash book that records cash and bank transaction. Single column cash book only transaction cash, but double column cash book transaction record cash and bank. Double column cash book has two money columns on each side. Debit side receive cash and receive bank, and credit side payment by cash and payment by bank. Advantage of double column cash book: it saves time, easy to understand, shows cash and bank balance together, useful for small and medium business. A double column cash book also records contra transaction. Now we will discuss about contra transactions. What is contra entry? Contra entry means a transaction that affects both cash and bank column in cash book. For example, cash withdrawn from bank account and receive into cash in hand, and cash deposit into bank account from cash in hand. It's written on both sides of cash book, marked as C, that is contra, in ledger folio column. This is double column cash book format. XYZ Company cash book for the month of November 2025. Left side has debit section and receipts. Right side credit section and payments. Here shown date, particulars, voucher number, ledger folio, cash column and bank column. Right side also shown date, particulars, voucher number, ledger folio, cash and bank column. In single column cash book only shown cash column, but double column cash book shown cash and bank column each side. That's called double column cash book. 1st November 2025 balance BD or opening balance cash in hand may be 150 and bank 800 amount. 2nd November 2025 furniture purchase and payment made by bank 250. 3rd November 2025 materials sales and receipt amount 350 by bank. 8th November 2025 local conveyance 20 amount paid by cash. November 9, 2025 cash withdraw from bank 150 amount, check number 25867. This is contra voucher. That's why ledger folio written C or contra. This 150 amount transfer to cash in hand. Cash receipt 150 amount. This amount not expense, just transfer from bank to cash. Company cash balance not change. This amount posted in double column cash book both sides. That's why it's called contra. November 30, 2025, staff salary paid 280 amount by bank. Now, at the end of November, total cash balance 300 and bank balance 1150. Total cash payment 20 amount and bank payment 680. Now closing balance 300 minus 20, that is 280 amount, and bank closing balance 1150 minus 680, that is 470. This closing balance will be next month opening balance, that is balance BD. So these are the details of double column cash book. Now triple column cash book. What is a triple column cash book? A triple column cash book is a type of cash book that contains three amount of columns on each side. One is cash column, second bank column, and third discount column. Single column cash book, only cash column. Double column cash book, cash and bank column. Triple column cash book, cash, bank, and discount column. So, a triple column cash book is a book of original entry where cash, bank, and discount transactions are recorded together. Triple column cash book also have two sides. One is debit side and another is credit side. In debit side, cash receipt, bank receipt, and cash discount allowed, and credit side, cash payment, bank payment, and cash discount receipt. Advantage of triple column cash book: its complete record of cash, bank, and discount, save time, suitable for medium and large business. Limitation: slightly complex for beginners, requires careful recording. So, a triple column cash book records cash, bank, and discount transaction in one book, making business accounting more complete and efficient. Now, we will see a practically triple column cash book format. This is triple column cash book format. XYZ Company cash book for the month of November 2025. Left side debit and receipt section, right side credit and payment section. This cash book add additional column discount allowed in receipt section and discount received in payment section. This format has three columns in both sides: discount allowed, cash, and bank receipt section, discount received, cash, and bank in payment section. That's why it's called three column cash book. 1st November 2025 opening balance cash 200 and bank 580 amount. 2nd November 2025 we purchase furniture 250 amount. Supplier give me 10% discount from this amount. For that's why we receive 10% discount 25 amount from 250 and payment made to supplier 225 amount. This discount amount added in payment section. 3rd November 2025, we sales materials 350 amount. When we sales these materials, we give 10% discount to the purchaser. For that's why this 35 amount written in discount allowed column in triple column cash book, and the rest amount 315 received by bank. At the end of November, total amount cash received 350 and bank received 895. Payment made by cash 25 and bank payment 375. Now closing balance 350 minus 25, that is 325, and bank balance 895 minus 375, that is 520. This is closing balance of cash and bank. These are the details of triple column cash book format. So this is all about cash book in accounting. I hope this video helped you understand the topic clearly. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you found it useful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel for more accounting tutorials. See you in the next video.